Greetings. Today we're gonna do planks. We're gonna do simple exercise. We got guidance. You understand? We're gonna do it with YouTube guidance. You understand today? We're gonna do planks for 60 seconds. You understand? Greetings. Grand Rise to all the kings and queens, guys and goddesses out there. You understand? Message for the trophy. You understand? Y'all ready?
Plank is one of the best exercises for core conditioning. It strengthens your abs, but also works your glutes and hamstrings. Supports proper posture and improves balance. How you doing? Hold on. Try to breathe normally. Inhale. Exhale. That's right.
Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. 30 more seconds. Feel the energy field within.
Okay, just 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that's great. Let's try the next one.
This workout here won't take long. You just have a full body workout.
Exercise number 2.
Elbow
plank.
I'm going to elbow this time.
Keep the same position on your belly. Now raise your body on your elbows and toes and keep it horizontal.
You're gonna on the elbow.
Your body should make a straight line.
Y'all see it and come back some.
Don't forget to breathe normally.
We're on the elbow this side.
30 seconds.
30 seconds elbow.
30
seconds, y'all. Keep yourself
active.
active.
One of the basic poses in yoga. So you can be sure it is absolutely healthy for your body and will keep you
energized. Don't even worry about it. Focus on something that you want, that you don't want to give up on.
Especially
yourself. Never give up on yourself. Love yourself. Believe in self. Pray to self. Enjoy yourself. Love yourself. I'm telling you. Mindful. Be visualize yourself and whatever you want to do.
1.
I say
you are super duper. I'm amazed.
Number 2.
All right, here we go. Exercise number 3. Raised leg plank.
We're gonna raise the leg.
Drop your body in the position of elbow plank. Raise your right leg to the level of your glutes or higher, and breathe normally.
Okay.
Up we go.
On our elbow, we're gonna raise our right leg this time. We're gonna hold it.
Breathe normally, because your muscles will need to receive oxygen. If you hold your breath, your blood and abdominal pressure can increase significantly and have harmful effects on your body.
Feel that burn. 11 more seconds.
3, 2, 1. Now, put your right foot on the floor and raise the left leg to the level of your glutes. That's right.
Go to the left leg.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Apart from working on your back, abs, chest, neck, and shoulders, leg raised plank also strengthens your glutes and back thighs. Every exercise that we do should be healthy to your body. So, inhale, exhale.
In through the nose, out through the mouth.
Exhale.
5 seconds.
2, 1. Great.
Good burn.
I can see you're ready for exercise 4, left side plank. Turn to your left side and put the left elbow strictly under the shoulder. Make sure your legs are straight. Now push your bottom and waist up. Balance yourself on your arm and feet until your body makes a diagonal line. Breathe normally. And up. Only 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Let go. Tap in.
Side plank makes your abdominal side muscles stronger and keeps your waist thin. Ooh. It's also a great pose to strengthen your shoulders and arms. That's right. It's not hard, is it?
Several seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go to the left.
Well done.
Go to the left arm. Breathe. Focus on your breathe. 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 Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Repeatedly. I said it.
And your wishes really do come true.
Apologies for this commercial error.
It's an upside down fairy. I found it.
Exercise number 5. Can you guess? Right side plank.
Switch it up.
Turn to your right side and put the right elbow strictly under the
I
shoulder.
did it back. I think I did
Make
the
sure
right
that your
first.
legs
That's
are
enough for me.
straight. Now, push your bottom and
Do
waist.
both sides though.
Balance yourself on your arm and feet until your body makes a diagonal line and breathe normally. And another 30 seconds have started just now. Keep your balance.
It's good to be in the sunlight too.
I can see you.
I open the door to let some sunlight
You are
in.
doing great.
You understand?
We're almost there.
Positive energy in. Y'all allow that positive energy flow in. You understand? Visualize yourself with what you want to burn in it. Visualize. Push that energy to where you want to burn it.
1. Okay, just 2 exercises left.
We'll do a quick full body workout by doing plank.
Exercise number 6.
A
Full plank again.
Another 60
Absolutely,
seconds.
you've done this one before. Let's repeat. Raise your body on your straight arms and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a straight line, head to heels. Breathe normally. This time, only 30 seconds. You can do it. Make sure your palms are right under your shoulders. If not, move them carefully. Your body should feel solid.
Solid.
Yes, just like that.
Hot. Strong. Powerful. 10 more seconds. You are free. I am free. I am love. Love loves me.
You are just
Love
a
never
great
runs out.
superhero.
I see.
You know that, don't you? Maybe 5 more seconds?
5 more
And
seconds.
here they are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Good
And
burn.
one
5
last
seconds.
exercise to go. Exercise 7, elbow plank. Yes, again. Okay, keep the same position on your belly. Now raise your body on your elbows and toes and keep it horizontally. Your body should make a what? Straight line, head to heels. Right. And breathe, breathe. You should hold the position for 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
How you doing?
Doing great.
Keep your glutes down. Your body is a straight line. Yeah, there you go. Oh, 30 seconds already passed and you are still standing.
I said
You are my superstar.
never ever give up.
Alrighty. Keep going.
Good burn. Feel that burn. Energy in, energy
5
out.
seconds left.
7 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. You've done it. You are a god of plank. Alright. And here is your daily workout plan summary that might be handy. Number 1, full plank, 1 minute. 2, elbow plank.
Y'all understand what's going on? Y'all like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. You understand? I'm gonna keep it real with you. We're gonna exercise. We're gonna be health. We're gonna practice mental health, spiritual health, physical health. You understand? We're gonna practice a lot of things. You understand? Y'all tap in, join the king. You understand? Yeah. I got new clothing on the way too. Clothing line. Y'all check out Giant Gents clothing line. You understand? In my own Shopify store. You understand? I got a package in now to see something. Y'all check it out, Giant Gents, you understand? Y'all check it out. Y'all feel free, come through, shop with me. Purchase anything you want knowledge, you want books, you want spiritual guidance, you understand? Y'all tap in, you understand? I say much love, plenty much love.